Hello viewers! Now, we are going to talk about on how to make a project data logbook in research. But before that, may I ask you if have you ever heard the word project data logbook? If not, here is a short definition of what a project data logbook is. It says that it is a record of your daily activity from the very first thing you do in starting a project. It helps you organize your thoughts and procedures. Now that we know what the project data logbook is, here are some of its uses and purposes. The uses and importance of project data logbook for us is to: first, to jot down important notes. Second, to keep track on our progress. Third, it also serves as our primary source of documentation of what we actually did. And for the last, to show originality and avoid plagiarism. Next, these are the things or ideas we should include in our project data logbook. Number 1, ideas for the project. Number 2, process of supplies. Number 3, references from research. Number 4, diagrams or figures. Number 5, data table. Number 6, calculations, and many others. Why is project data logbook important in the field of research? The project data logbook is important because it will serve as our primary source of documentation of what we actually did in the lab, as well as our thought process during the analysis of the data and planning the experiment. It is also important evidence so researchers can avoid plagiarism. Now, let's move in making a project data logbook. Before making a project data logbook, you must know first how to start one, so here are the tips on how to start a project data logbook. Number 1. Use new white-bound composition book. Number 2. Write using a pen. Number 3. Number all the pages. Number 4. Date all entries. Number 5. No whiteouts. Number 6. Jot down every progress. Number 7. Glue, staple, or tape any loose paper. Number 8. Organize your logbook. Number 9. Simply cross out your mistakes. And number 10. Include everything that has happened even if it was a failure.